Unlock the future of influence and craft your own AI personality that captivates the digital world. First, let's bring your AI influencer to life with Higgsfield's intuitive avatar design tools. Browse a vast library of customizable features, from facial structures and hairstyles to clothing and accessories, ensuring your virtual persona perfectly reflects your brand and resonates with your target audience. You have complete control to fine-tune every detail, creating a unique and memorable digital identity. But an influencer is more than just looks, it's their personality. Dive into Higgsfield's personality development suite. Define core values, choose a distinct speaking style, and even assign unique mannerisms. This is where your AI influencer gains a genuine voice and a relatable character that will connect deeply with your followers. Once your avatar is ready, it's time to create compelling content. Higgsfield empowers you to conceptualize and generate diverse content formats, from eye-catching social media posts and engaging video scripts to interactive stories that foster community. Our platform handles a heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your influencer's narrative and message. Building a loyal community. Higgsfield provides powerful audience engagement strategies, analyze follower demographics, understand engagement patterns, and respond to your audience in real time with authentic AI-driven interactions. This ensures your virtual persona stays relevant and builds lasting brand awareness and loyalty. With Higgsfield, you're not just creating an avatar, you're building a brand, fostering a community, and driving real-world impact. Start your AI influencer journey today.